How to redeem Steam gift card. So first, just simply open up your Steam, and once you're there, just click on your profile on the top right here. Then click on account details, just like so, and it will bring you to this page. And once you are on this page, you just simply need to click on add funds to your Steam wallet right here. And you could also do this method. So there's another method. Just click on our profile on the top right again, then just click on view my wallet. So you could either do both or any of the two. But basically, once you're here, you just simply need to click on redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Then it will bring you to this page, and as you can see, you will need to enter your Steam wallet code to add funds to your Steam wallet. And now you just simply need to enter your Steam wallet code right here. And once you've entered it, just simply click on continue and just simply go through the process. It will show you the value of your Steam gift card, and just simply need to confirm it, and it will basically be added to your account automatically. Now you could just simply go to the library or store, then just find any games that you want right here. And that's how you basically redeem Steam gift cards.